Hello, dear children. I welcome you in today's revision class where I am going to start the chapter An Alien Hand. Alien means foreign, but here this alien refers to the foreign planet, a different planet. Tillu, how often have you been told not to go that way? But why does daddy go there every day? Because that's his job, Tillu. So, as the lesson starts, is the conversation between a son and his mother. Tillu is saying, Tillu's mother is asking him that he should not always try to go from that a particular path she is talking about from that way, but Tillu is insisting that because his daddy is also going there every day, so at this his mother says daddy goes because it is his work. He is going for his work. That way was an underground passage. Tillu's father went every day for work along that passage. Tillu's father is always going from that underground passage and it was his work to go there. Actually, Tillu is not living on Earth planet. He is on some other one. Later on you are going to get in which he is there. And every day he came back from the direction. Every day Tillu's father was going from that way and he was also coming back from the same direction. What lay at the end of the forbidden route? Actually, this route was not allowed for everyone. Those who had special permission to go from that way, only they are allowed. So Tillu, a boy, he is very curious to know to go there. What was there in that area? He was very curious to know all these things. Not only Tillu, but a great majority of the community would have liked to know. Though it is the conversation between Tillu and his mother, but not only Tillu, but everybody in his community, almost all, wanted to know about the forbidden passage. Tillu's father was one of the select few permitted to go that way. Tillu's father is one of the persons, those who are allowed to go that way. The above conversation invariably took place between Tillu and his mother whenever he insisted on following his father. Whenever Tillu was willing to go to follow his father, every time his mother discouraged him by saying that it was a forbidden passage and he should not insist to go from that way. Today, however, was different. Tillu's father was enjoying a steta meaning a short rest after lunch at home, and Tillu managed to get hold of his security card. But today was a different day. When Tillu's father came for lunch and he was taking a short nap, in between, anyhow, Tillu could manage to find his security card. Then, evading his watchful mother's eye, Tillu made his way to the forbidden passage. So, anyhow, Tillu tried to save himself, even he was successful to save himself from the watchful eye of his mother, and he just slipped from that way and he went towards the forbidden passage. That was the day he thought had come when his curiosity to know about that forbidden passage was going to end. A metal door barred his entry, but Tillu had watched his father slip the magic card into a slot. He did the same, and the door opened noiselessly. A well-lit passage seemed to beckon him. See, Tillu, there was a big metal gate which came in hindrance in between him. But Tillu had seen, whenever he was following his father, he had seen that his father was putting that security card into the slot of that metal door. He did the same and the door opened for him. Snatching the card which had come out of another slot in the wall, Tillu started his march along a gentle upward slope. Now that card had come out from the different direction. Tillu received that card and he had started going towards the passage. It was a upward slope. For the passage led from the underground habitat to the surface of the planet. Actually, Tillu, along with the other inhabitants of the planet, they were living inside the planet. And now Tillu was about to reach on the surface of the planet. Tillu looked forward to seeing the sun if it was daytime, or the stars if it was night, about which he had heard and read so much. Tillu had read about stars and sun because he was not living on planet Earth, so he had only read about them. He wanted to see them. So this time he thought when he was going to the surface of his planet, he would be capable to see the stars if it would be night time. He would be capable to see the sun if it would be daytime. Because he was inside the planet, he did not know whether it is night time going on or the daytime. But alas, that was not to be. He wanted to do so, but actually it did not happen. Thank you, dear children. Today we will do this.